Welcome back, children, to our English class, and we were discussing simple present tense, and we studied that simple present tense doesn't use the helping verb, and it balances between the subject and the main verb. Balances means if subject is singular, then main verb will be plural, and if subject is plural, then main verb will be singular. Second thing we studied that words like often, usually, never, always, they are always used between subject and the main verb के बीच में. Okay? So there are the exercises. Let us start with exercise 5.1. Write these verbs with S or ES. Means the main verb may we have to add S or ES on the basis of the subject. Okay? So first they have given she. They have given the main verb here in the bracket. The subject is she, right? She is singular, so they have added S to make it plural. Okay? Second, he. He is again singular, so we will write think ka things. We will write it in plural form because the subject is singular. Now, third one, it. It is also singular. तो fly का plural क्या होगा? Flies. I-E-S. Okay? He is also singular. Dance becomes dances. He dances. Okay? Now, she is again singular. अब क्या बोलेंगे? She has or she have? Finishes. अब मैंने यहाँ have ही क्यों लिया? Haves क्यों नहीं लिया? Because have अपने आप में plural है. इसका singular होता है has, H-A-S. Okay? और ये खुद अपने आप में plural है. Next. Complete the sentences about the people in the picture. Use these words. Okay, same pattern. So, they have done the first one for us. That is, he plays the piano. Okay, who is playing the piano? This one. And they have cut this word. Second, they dash in a very big house. Our house. So, what will we write? Live. They, अब this should be singular or plural? Live singular होना चाहिए, plural होना चाहिए. Look at the subject. They is singular? नहीं. Plural? Yes. तो अगर ये plural है तो main verb will be singular. Okay? This is simple present. सिर्फ simple present में ये rule apply होता है. Okay? So they live in a very big house. Third, dash a lot of fruits. Right? Now this one is one or two? Singular है plural है? एक ही है ना? इसका नाम हमें देना है तो दे लो भले. और we can simply write she. Okay? Because दिख रहा है पिक्चर में कि ये singular है. अब eats. Right ना? Singular है, main verb will be plural. So she eats a lot of fruit. Fourth, dash tennis. Now, singular or plural in the picture? They are two. So we don't know their names. We can write simply they. They. What is the verb that can be used? Play. They play. Why we are not writing plays? Because they plural है, so this will be singular. Next, dash to the cinema a lot. We love films. They are saying we love films, and they are singular or plural? ये singular है या plural है picture में? Plural है. And we don't know the names. We can write simply they. Okay? अब what verb can we use? They, live हो गया, eat हो गया, right? Play हो गया. अब क्या बचा? go and sleep. So they go. We can use go. Why not goes? Same way, this is plural, so this will be singular. अगर they की जगह he लगा दे तो he goes. तब go में es लगेगा and it will become goes. He goes, they go. Okay? Last, dash 8 hours a night. Now the person is singular. 8 hours a night. So if you want, you can give him a name. He sleep. Sleep लिखूं या sleeps लिखूं? हाँ? He is singular ना? तो our main verb will be plural. He sleeps 8 hours a night. Got it? Now let's move to the next exercise. Complete the sentences. Use these verbs. Now see children, please keep your eyes open. Singular, plural has to be applied. Okay? Margaret speaks 4 languages. In Britain, the banks usually... Banks. We are talking about banks. This is our subject. Open. The city museum dash at 5 o'clock in the evening. 5 o'clock evening में तो सब बंद ही होते हैं ना. What is closing? Museum. Singular. So city museum closes. Tina is a teacher. She dashed mathematics to young children. What is she doing? Teacher teaches, na? So she teach आएगा या teaches आएगा? Singular, so this will be plural es. She teaches mathematics. My job is very interesting. I dash a lot of people. I meet a lot of people. Now, meet will be meet or meets. क्या लगाऊं? Meet लगाऊं या meets लगाऊं? I is plural. Present tense में I plural होता है. तो ये plural है तो ये singular होगा. Okay? I meet a lot of people. Because it is a routine office, na? Next, Peter dash his hair twice a week. देखो routine. So Peter is singular or plural? Singular. क्या करता है वो twice a week अपने बालों को? Wash. We have, see, let us mark the words which we have already used. We have used this, we have used this, we have used this, and we have used this also. Boil करता है क्या? Cost करता है? Like करता है? No, wash करता है. Okay? So Peter wash or washes? Washes. Food is expensive, right? It dash a lot of money. So it cost a lot of money. Cost या costs? Food is always, it is singular or plural? Singular. So ये plural. It costs a lot of money. Shoes are expensive. They dash a lot of money. Again, they are talking about money. They is singular or plural? Plural. So plural के संग हमारा cost आ जाएगा. क्या आएगा? Cost. यहाँ पे ये plural है तो हमने singular. ये singular है तो ये plural. Got it? Water dash at 100 degree Celsius. 100 degree पे water क्या करता है? Boils. तो water को हम singular consider करेंगे या plural? Water is considered as singular. It is uncountable noun, right? So water boils. Water को singular करेंगे तो ये S हो जाना चाहिए. Julia and I are good friends. ठीक है? I dash her and she dash me. I like या likes? I is plural, तो I like, right? And she is singular, so like will become likes. ये प्लूरल था तो ये सिंगुलर रखा, ये सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर था तो यहाँ हमने प्लूरल कर दिया. गॉट इट? अंडरस्टूड दिस बैलेंसिंग ऑफ subject and the main verb, and this occurs only and only in simple present tense. I am repeating again and again, ये जो बैलेंसिंग है सिर्फ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में होती है. और सिंपल प्रेजेंट में जिस तरह के सेंटेंसेस बनते हैं, द टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस दैट वी आर फ्रेमिंग आर आइदर हैबिट्स, आपकी आदतें, रूटीन जो आप डेली काम करते हो वो, या फिर कुछ फैक्ट्स, कुछ सच्चाई, कुछ ट्रुथ. इफ दोज आर टू बी टोल्ड, जब हम इन चीजों की बातें करते हैं तो हम हमेशा सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज करते हैं. और सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में वी डू नॉट यूज एनी हेल्पिंग वर्ब, वी सिंपली बैलेंस मेन वर्ब एंड द सब्जेक्ट. सिंगुलर है तो ये प्लूरल, ये प्लूरल है तो ये सिंगुलर. सी सॉ की तरह, एक नीचे तो एक ऊपर तो दूसरा नीचे. गॉट इट? Now next exercise, write sentences from these words, put the verb in the right form, arrive or arrives, simple, singular or plural. First is done, always early, Sue arrives. Sue always arrives early. Now see, यहाँ पे both the two things have been included. First thing, balancing of the subject and main verb, and second thing, use of the words like always, never, sometimes, often. Those words are also there. And where do we use them? In between the main verb and the subject, right? So let us see. Basketball, I play often. I often play basketball, right? Next, work Margaret hard usually. Margaret is the name. So this will be our subject, right? So Margaret usually. Usually, what is the main verb? Hard work or work hard? Work hard, है ना? तो हम इसको करेंगे works hard. Why works? Because Margaret is singular. Fourth, Jenny always nice clothes wear. Now Jenny is the name, right? So we'll start with Jenny. Always. What is the main verb? Wearing. So it will be wears. So Jenny always wears nice clothes. So wear ka wears ho jayega because Jenny is singular. Next, dinner we have always at 7:30. So who is the subject here? About whom we are talking? We are talking about we. We always, we is plural, have dinner at A. Got it? Here we have used have with we. Why? Because have means eating or drinking also. Okay. So in that sense have is used. So it will be have only. Next, sixth, television. Tim watch never. So Tim never, watch ka watches because Tim is singular. Tim never watches television. Got it? Seventh, like chocolate children usually. So children usually at second place. Like ka, like or likes? Like, because children is plural. So children usually like chocolate. Last, Julia parties enjoy always. We'll start with Julia. Julia always. Now, what is the main verb? Enjoy. So enjoy, Julia is singular, so enjoy has to be plural, right? Julia always enjoys parties. Got it? So this is how we do it. So you will do these exercises in your book. If you don't have the book, then do them in your notebook and send a pic of them to me. So I end up my video, and the remaining we will do in the next class. Till then, thank you.